Look at all of this water. Totally undrinkable. Why, you ask? I'm going to take you on a journey. Talk about arsenic and TTHM and how they're contaminating our drinkable water supply. We've developed a team of experts. That was fun, but let's get down to business.
Let me tell you about some of the admirable qualities of arsenic. Arsenic is a naturally occurring element that is found in water, air, food, and soil. There are two general forms, organic and inorganic. The types of inorganic arsenic primarily found in water are known carcinogens and highly toxic.
Long-term exposure can cause various forms of cancer, cardiovascular disease, kidney failure, reproductive harm, and infant death.
Wow, that's a long list. I definitely don't want that in my water.
Total trihalomethanes, or TTHMs, are a byproduct of disinfection. They form when iodine, chlorine, or bromine react with organics in the water. The main ones considered in this project were bromoform, iodoform, and chloroform. The CDC regulates these chemicals, and they have determined them to be reasonably anticipated to be human carcinogenic. However, they are known to cause liver failure and central nervous system damage.
You might be thinking, I have nothing to worry about. My government and local water supplier have got me covered. Huh. Well, maybe you need to be taking a better look. The EPA requires a maximum concentration limit, or MCL, of 10 milligrams per liter of arsenic and 0.1 milligrams per liter of TTHMs. However, the MCL of TTHMs will be lowered within the next couple of years to 0.08 milligrams per liter. Over 350 water suppliers in Arizona alone have violated the EPA's regulations for arsenic, TTHMs, or both. 51 of those water suppliers provide water to Maricopa County. 27 of them provide water to Pima County, the two largest counties in Arizona, and 36 of those suppliers provide water to Native American reservations.
Arizona water treatment facilities are spending millions a year for violating the EPA MCL limits for arsenic and TTHM. Don't you think that's a high price to pay simply to do their job? These fines can range from $200,000 to $250,000 a day, depending on the severity of the violation. Wouldn't these taxpayer funds be better spent actually cleaning the water? People trust in their water facilities to keep them safe. It's time that money was invested in keeping that promise.
This isn't a problem that's just gonna blow away.
It's not, Brett. However, we have a top-of-the-line solution. The polluted water enters into an ion exchanger and boom, 99% of the arsenic is removed. The polluted water is then pumped into a granular activated carbon reactor and then boom, again, the TTHMs are removed. You're probably asking yourself, what's step 3? Well, it's easy. Distribute the purest, freshest, guilt-free water you've ever tasted. This water's so clean you can wash your dog with it. Don't put any arsenic-loving fish in it, though. They will be disappointed.
As Adam said, we developed a design to remove arsenic and TTHMs. Not only that, but we developed a graphic user interface, or GUI, that allows the user to obtain the specifications needed based on the inlet flow rate and concentrations. The outlet specifications include reactor dimensions, quantities of ion exchange resin, and granular activated carbon needed for removal requirements, breakthrough times, and outlet concentrations, as well as conditions. From these outputs, we can determine the cost of creation, maintenance, and upkeep. This includes regeneration and sensors. So, this GUI is pretty easy to use. You can adjust the slider for the inlet concentration of however much water is coming in. You can insert the arsenic concentration and TTHM concentration coming into the reactors and the train, the pH of the water, and then you can also add particulates information such as chlorine, copper, dissolved oxygen, and so forth. Then you generate the results, and you have the specifications for your water treatment train that you will need. And that's it.
In addition to a fully automated GUI system, we've also intertwined a fully automated sensory analysis system. As you can see here, we have everything taken care of for you, all the way from arsenic detection to TTHM detection. And this detection is every 30 seconds, constantly running all day, doing a numerical analysis and outputting the data. If there is ever any sort of contaminant in an unruly range, then an alarm will be sounded and you will know. This is an easy to utilize system and you need it.
Thanks, girls, for doing your part. Now let me tell you about how we at Team KIGAZ are doing our part. We have implemented a series of sustainable practices into our design to help keep Arizona, well, Arizona. Team KIGAZ has carefully designed a process that does not emit pollutants while it runs. We have thoughtfully selected low-power pumps to reduce overall energy consumption. And finally, we have carefully orchestrated the use of GAC, the use of resin, and the regeneration with brine to extend the lifetime and mitigate overall landfill waste. Because here in Team KIGAZ, we believe in keeping Arizonans safe and Arizona beautiful.
Pricing packages are available. However, can you really put a price on a human life? How is your facility currently treating your water? If you didn't answer Kick-Ass's innovative solution, then anytime you take a sip of water, you're putting your health and life at risk.